Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to our step-by-step video guide on how to use the AI scan feature in ABSS Connect. To get started, navigate to the Connected Service section at the top of your screen and click on ABSS Connect Sign Up/Login. If your account has not been activated yet, a pop-up message will notify you that your company has not been registered, so you will need to activate and set up your company information first. To activate your company file, navigate to the Help tab and select Activate Company File. Tick I want to activate my company file online, then click the Continue button. After that, enter your 12-digit serial number, which was provided in your welcome email when you signed up for ABSS Connect. Click Continue, and your company file will be successfully activated. Next, you need to set up your company information. Navigate to the Setup tab and select Company Information. Enter your company name, email address, and physical address. Then click the OK button. Your company is now successfully registered. Now, log into your ABSS Connect account via your browser. Navigate to the Integrated Applications section on the left-hand side, then click Connect on AI Scan. The AI Scan screen will display the available monthly quota for your product. Tick the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Confirm and Activate to enable the feature. Once the connection is complete, return to ABSS Connect. You can now use the AI Scan feature under the Connected Service tab. Click the Import button, then select Choose File to upload a document in PDF, PNG, or JPEG format. After selecting your file, click the Upload button to initiate the AI scan. Click the Refresh button to check the import status, where you will see it progress from queued to successful. After that, go to the Action tab, select the desired transaction for the file, and click the Convert button to complete the data conversion. That's all for today's video guide. We hope you find the AI scan feature in ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect helpful. Thank you for watching.